Germarel power.
Germarel drone container solutions. 40 feet you see here in this video, which is designed for different military applications for drone zones. As you see, we can store energy with solar panel and wind turbines. And here is our energy storage area with lithium-ion batteries and inverters. So you can charge at the same time so many drones. So that is perfect for soldiers. And here you can see a small video that you can, like, the soldiers can sleep and everything, and they have like a bathroom and shower, ammunition room, and also energy storage room. So energy storage room, and especially also charging the drones and then software updates. So you see from upside, like there is a small helicopter area, like you can let them from the heliport fly and then close the area back. So here you can see at the same time you have table and then charge so many drones at the same time with air conditioner. As you see, it's a perfect like a home, and then never feel like in a war zone. At the same time, 3 soldiers can work and can sleep and can live in these containers. Also here you can see like everything in an like a script. And here ammunition room, you can have so like bombs and all ammunitions, also guns organized. And also here's the sleeping room, and also small like a kitchen, and you can have a dinner and lunch perfectly. And you can see another view of internal view of the container, and here is the same. So you can use laptops to software updates and everything. And here you can see another view like how the helicopters can fly, and you can open and then you can close the helipad area with a perfect against any attack. Here you can see again how it seems the system, like we have water storage and everything. And here you can also grab the container so the soldiers cannot see, or you can put near a forest that it's hard to define from the enemies. So here you can see how drones fly, and then there is the left side water storage, and we can also store the water when it's raining. It's a perfect solution for the soldiers and for the war zones that can supply everything for the drones to charge, and for the soldiers who operate the war and system. Also we have small silence diesel generator.
Germarel power.